Do you feel scattered by emotion, weakened by chaos, stuck in someone else's drama? Picture yourself stepping into a new version of you, calm, deliberate, strategic. You're rebuilding yourself like a master strategist, thinking ahead, acting with precision. Machiavelli wrote about rulers, but these lessons can shape anyone who wants to turn weakness into quiet power. Start by seeing emotions as tools, not masters. Notice the patterns that cause you to overreact: anger, doubt, fear. Observe them without judgment. Once you name them, you can control them. Make every emotional trigger a mapped territory, a zone you've studied and predicted. That's your first move toward replacing reaction with calculation. Now imagine your day as a campaign. Every hour is a unit deployed. Exercise strengthens, reading sharpens, planning clarifies, reflection resets. Doing these things consistently builds what Machiavelli called virtù, inner strength built by your effort, not left to chance. You build your fortress not by luck, but by deliberate habit. Then learn the fox and lion balance. The fox spots traps. The lion scares off attacks. Be cunning when needed, but never shy from quiet force if someone crosses the line. Let others underestimate you with your calm exterior until you choose to reveal your strength. That delicate dance keeps others off balance and respect on your side. Use solitude as a sharpening tool. Machiavelli emphasized reflection in private. Without the noise of others, you become unreadable, self-reliant, free from emotional manipulation. Allies are optional. Leverage is essential. Control flows where unpredictability and discipline intersect. Reputation becomes your silent weapon. Speak little about your ambitions. Instead, let your actions build a reputation of quiet confidence. Machiavelli advised projecting virtue, even if reality isn't perfect, because perception shapes power. People believe what they see. Align your image with calculated truth. When crises hit, and they will, pivot swiftly. Machiavelli said, "Fortune favors the prepared. When others freeze, you improvise, strike, reconfigure." All measured moves from a mind that stays calm under pressure. Weakness is temporary. Adaptability endures. Keep your eyes on the horizon. Don't chase comfort. Think decades ahead. Legacy, influence, impact. Machiavelli taught that leaders shape circumstances. They don't wait for them. So plan long-term. Anticipate resistance. Make every decision count toward lasting authority, not fleeting ease. In personal relations, don't shower trust or kindness widely. Give connection sparingly. Keep rewards strategic. Reserve criticism. But never speak when you can let silence serve as correction. This builds a mirage of virtue, hiding razor-sharp control. People learn you're loyal only when loyalty benefits them, and they respect the restraint behind your strategy. Every day becomes a lesson. Each moment trains your mind in mental chess. Visualize potential obstacles, rehearse responses. Imagine setbacks and scripting your reactions before they happen. That's how visual strategists stay ahead. They don't react, they execute. Gradually, small victories become your foundation. Reinvent trust in yourself, brick by brick. Reconstruct your habits, your emotional control, your reputation. It isn't about cruelty, it's about control. Clarity replaces chaos. Discipline replaces confusion. When you speak of your journey, it's not excuses or emotion, it's strategy. Your narrative becomes calculated, precise, forward-driven. You're not just healed, you're upgraded, leaner, sharper, calibrated. This is Machiavelli's method for mental transformation, from chaotic to calculated, from reaction to designed action. You're not just rebuilding, you're ascending into someone who doesn't wait for opportunity. You create it. And now, you've come a long way. You're no longer looking for someone to save you, fix you, or show you the way. You've become the one who builds quietly, who calculates in silence, who sharpens themselves daily, not for approval, but for impact. You no longer operate on emotion alone. You don't allow the noise of the world to distract you from your plan. You've taken a step back from the chaos, observed it with a clear head, and started designing your next move, just like a cold strategist would. You understand now that true strength isn't loud. It doesn't need applause. It doesn't scream to be seen. Real power is invisible until it strikes. You've learned to wear a calm face while your mind works like a chessboard. You're 3 steps ahead, not because you're special, but because you've trained yourself to think, to anticipate, to adapt. Every emotion you once thought was a weakness, every setback that once crushed you, is now just data, fuel for your next calculated decision. You've become more fox, more lion. You know when to blend in, when to observe, and when to strike. You don't move out of impulse, you move with purpose. You've learned the value of subtlety, of patience, of timing. Not everything needs a reaction. Not every insult needs a reply. Sometimes, the greatest display of strength is no display at all. And with every quiet victory, you're stacking invisible bricks. You're building something others can't see. Discipline, mindset, mental toughness. They might not notice right away. They might even think you've gone quiet, distant, cold. But that's the point. You're not here to entertain or please. You're here to grow. And growth, the real kind, is often done in silence. You've cut through the noise. You've replaced drama with discipline. You no longer give out your energy recklessly. You know that your attention, your time, your focus, they're currency. And you've stopped spending them on things that don't return value. That's what a strategist does. They don't chase, they position. They don't panic, they plan. You've also understood that power isn't always about control over others. Sometimes it's about full control over yourself, over your cravings, your impulses, your reactions, over the need to be liked, over the urge to explain yourself. You've realized that you don't owe everyone access to you. Silence can be protection. Mystery can be armor. And now, you walk differently. You speak less, listen more. You don't rush into decisions. You weigh them. You don't give away your blueprint. You let people wonder. Your unpredictability becomes your protection. People can't manipulate what they can't understand. And when they can't read you, they can't control you. This is the new you, rebuilt, not from desperation, but from design. You've stopped being driven by what happened to you. You're driven by what you want to create. Every scar became a blueprint. Every failure, a lesson. Every emotional spiral, a signal that pointed toward mastery. You've turned your past into strategy. And here's the best part. This version of you isn't final. It's just the beginning. Because a strategist never truly finishes. They're always evolving, watching, adjusting, becoming sharper, calmer, stronger. You're not chasing perfection. You're committed to progress. You've understood that becoming your best self isn't about being flawless. It's about being aware, intentional, and relentless. So the next time life tries to shake you, remember, you don't break, you adjust. When chaos knocks, you don't collapse, you observe. When someone crosses a line, you don't explode, you act with precision. Because that's who you are now, rebuilt, refined, cold but not cruel, calculated but not heartless, strategic but never stagnant. You've stopped asking, why me? And started thinking, what's my next move? That shift, right there, that's power. And it's a kind of power no one can take from you, because you built it, quietly, relentlessly, like a true Machiavellian. Now go forward, not louder, but sharper, not harder, but smarter. Because from here on out, everything you do is strategy, everything you build is deliberate, and everything you become is by design.